focusing on volatility, you got the option shit down. Maybe it would translate to the meaning, but maybe it wouldn't either. So that's why I was kind of just watching YouTube. You know what I mean? Volatility is one of those other words. I'm like, I know for a fact I ate a lot of positions of uncertainty around volatility. Somebody shot your nose off despite your face type shit, like, with no reason. Like, hindsight, certain trades, there was no reason to make the move to just leave how you lived, if that makes sense. You just burn money for no reason. And true, I was more scared of, well, I still am. I'm most scared of theta for real. It's because I haven't really figured out how to leverage that to my advantage. So I'm baby steps walking it down. You see me say that. That's it. Straight to it, straight to it. Overall, my strategy just wants me to target the mispricing that will happen in all of the micro tech stocks.
I feel like I looked at that one point, but I feel like that, I don't know if that's going to be very good.
You done break it down?
Because from my understanding, when it comes to mispricing, it means there's like a slight difference between what is reality and what is shown. And then there's always going to be like a small correction, but like all those happen within like milliseconds.
You did say that, yeah.
So it's impossible for you to actually catch it unless you have like some like very, like you gotta, like you can't do it on a normal computer. You would have to have some like supercomputer, like graphics card, like just some very strong stuff to be able to catch all those moves. Because actually, I built an AI tool one time just to see if I could catch those moves. And then just with just broker-free fees and so forth, you can a lot of times you can catch those moves, but by the time you have to pay your broker fees and all this other stuff, it doesn't. You don't come out on top, and it's not very efficient.
Efficiency of cash.
So like you would ultimately have to catch the move, not just like price efficiencies. Like
Right. It would have to be I have also said rule 1 ultra tight invalidation.
Like I said, when it's ultra tight, what it means by ultra tight, like I had a computer trying to like catch the move,
With that.
and it wasn't anything substantial to where it could even make money off of it. So, and it was just, and before I threw money in it, it was just like a test of strategy, and it couldn't do it. So I was like, yeah.
So I technically built one of those for sports betting apps. I called it Glass Spider, but it was basically the same arbitrage, whatever, finding games which could be greater than Y. And I actually plugged it into FanDuel Prize Pick, but it kicked me out after like the third or fourth day. I wouldn't win them but a few dollars, but it same Gemini profile, of which I asked to build me a trading strategy based on what it knows about. That's probably why it automatically went to that, because I actually have that image.
Oh yeah. It's gonna pull from what you thought about before.
Yeah, I am. Like, and I just made Claude make that a different tool. Like, so I have a sports arbitrage scanner, a market opportunity scanner, and then a sovereign scanner, all based off. And that was months ago that I did that one. I just put it in Claude to shape it back up. So, like I said, that's probably why I was like, okay, cool. Well, ratchet up that supercomputer then. We can try this strategy. Which is actually a goal of mine. I actually do for entrepreneurial sovereignty. I want to have a next level quantum computer. I want an all-encompassing computer.
At one time, I was working on like creating strategies to like trade on itself. I just haven't like.
Shit, I thought that was one screen. I was like, what's going on? But no, I was just,
It's just naturally I do that, especially when I'm like, look at something else. It's like,
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so like these are all like random strategies I built that could trade on their own.
Hey, okay. Micro gold. Got you.
Oh no, this is NASDAQ, but like.
Yeah.
But also, these aren't the only trade strategies out. I have a whole bunch of trade strategies that I need to update, actually. But and ultimately, what it does is like I have a whole bunch of strategies, and I'm based off what the market is doing. Different strategies should be best for those different times.
Right.
So
different.
But I haven't rotated these out or done it in like a minute. So these are all still older strategies.
Okay. So what?
I just haven't messed
First
with
off,
it.
you're gonna package this and sell it, right? One time, right?
So this isn't even actually the intellectual property. The intellectual property would be so besides building the strategy, but like there's like there's like a platform I built that holds all the strategies and then keeps all the trades associated with all this strategy. And then it keeps track of what the market's doing at that time and what strategies do best. That's where I have that somewhere else.
Yeah, the motherfucking Oracle. Go ahead. That's what I'm saying. And they fucked up. You niggas ain't got watch for cheese. They fucked up, right? You ain't here. Oh God. Okay. I like that. That's damn near like. Would you on that platform? Would you be able to? Would it be like read on it, or would you be able to actually activate the trades?
No. On the platform, all it does purely is keep data. It keeps the code for the trade, like how you're actually trading it. Keeps a log of all the trades, etc.
The blockchain meets trading view.
I'm gonna switch screens. I'll show you what it is.
Because like this thing, if I can say, for example, www.braxton.com. Okay, cool. I'm looking at the market. I see the overview at the top. Cool. I click the tab. I see my different strategies that apply directly to what's going on right now. Boom. Click on another tab. See the history of those moves. Click on another tab after that. See all the history of everything I've done. It's like a trading view meets Investopedia. Like I can nerd out on which why strategies apply to whatever in the market.
So here it is.
That's it. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So ultimately, these are the different strategies that I have currently active. These are all different strategies that I've like tested and so forth.
Okay.
Hey. Yeah, for the day, builds the plan, tells me what it thinks based off. This would be it's a recapping yesterday with what was happening. This would be a journal. So like this is where I can log all the trades. I can also upload them, so like I don't have to just log them. I can take TradingView CVS file and just choose a file, drop it in here.
We have photo evidence as well. Go ahead.
These are just all the trades within itself, or the strategies within itself that you can look up. This is how. See, I've literally missed this for a month because I've been trying to focus on like my actual trading. But this is just telling me what type of regime the market's in. So like, is it a strong uptrend, strong downtrend? Is it kind of like sideways?
That'd be 10,000. And there, okay. I think I was like getting Bloomberg from the shit for real. I don't say the Bloomberg terminal one. No, like this out of pocket. Just all just
So
right
now,
there.
so now it's backfill all these things. These are just like a whole bunch of different experiments that I've tested within this thing. These are different reports based off the experiments. Heat map. These are just kind of telling you. So it has. So based off the regime, the strategy and the regime. So it takes all the strategies and it has a regime, compressed regime, normal, chop, normal trending, elevated chop, elevated trending, extreme.
This is the matrix right here.
Yeah, and then it kind of tells you, and then based off, it keeps tabs of all these trades in the regime and these, and then that's how it knows what to recommend the strategy you trade day to day. This is just the user guide of how to use it.
Traders Hub, that'll go. Traders Hub is official. Traders Hub.
See, this I know I need to update this whole thing because I updated the regime just now earlier, and it's saying all the strategies I have right now are out
of whack for
out of whack for what's happening right now. So like I shouldn't be trading these right now.
Gotcha. Matter of fact, even that, this might imagine, okay, we wake up and log in, bam.
Yeah.
You set it up the day before, and then you look and see all your shit is red. Oh, we gotta adjust real quick.
Yeah, exactly. And then pretty much for all the strategies, I just needed to go back, upload the trades based off so you can see the trades that it would take based off each strategy. I just upload the trades and the success of those trades, and it correlates it with the regime, and then that's how it knows which one to pick.
Now fuck around and do all your risk management work for you.
Yeah.
Only you have to. I mean, obviously, you just have to figure out how much in a specific trade. But as far as like, this is as much risk mitigation as you can get before you actually jump into the product.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but I built that. It just I haven't done it much because I was using it to trade for me, like use strategies and trade for me. I switched back to like wanting to trade on my own because a lot of the prop firms they don't like AI trading for you, or like automatic like trading for you. So I wasn't
trading.
Yeah, which I think what happened one day was I had multiple strategies going, and then multiple strategies going for like the same for the same, what was it? I think it was gold or something. But they ended up putting in a trade. Like one was like a long-term trade, one was a shorter trade, but they were counteractive to each other.
Ooh, okay.
So one was trading, sells, one was trading buys. And it didn't like it and I forgot how much money I made one day, but it was like $1,300, and it was like, you can't do that. We're gonna reset your balance.
The hell?
Yeah.
That's why we don't go anywhere in this country. I'm punished for being right. Fuck you.
Yeah. So I that's why I turned it off, because I was pissed that one day, and I don't think I've used it since then. But overall, it still was. When I was using it was up to date. It was successful.
Exactly. White label game. We're buying shit out.
Yeah. I just need to keep. I don't need to be sidetracked.
White
I
label.
just need to tighten up, the vulnerability of. I just need to tighten up the vulnerability of that. Yeah, like if it's in a trade already for a pair or something like that, like figure out how to stop it from, or just ultimately only have one strategy for a pair, like actually going to like only one strategy going for gold, one going for NASDAQ, one going for YM, and only trade those strategies.
In its actual bucket. I got you.
Yeah, because that's the only time it finds issues. Oh, that's the only time it really found an issue. Was for that.
It's just like, or I guess it wouldn't actually work with certain strategies, but I was like, you know how you can make a hitless feature for whatever you fucking build, as far as programs that you want to run, whatever GTQ you want to run that whole 24/7. What if you had a Ouroboros feature where like no strategy would eat itself naturally?
Yeah.
The constraints would naturally. See what I'm saying? I can't buy and sell. Those are two different constraints.
Yeah.
Wrote in a feature of the Ouroboros tail, like, okay, cool. If ever there's one time in which this right here eats the critical portions of the components that make this up right here, just stop the trade, or you stop. It's a self.
Well, that's the thing, is like it was happening. Like these trades were happening. I didn't even have to be in front of my computer for it to happen.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying to tell the system, tell itself to stop.
Yeah, but the only issue is like, so see these like 5 panes, and then you see like 2 or 3 of them are the same thing with like gold, or they're all under gold. There are 3 different strategies, but they're all under gold. One would trigger one way, and one would trigger the other way. And within the system, because what I create is like a separate like informational platform, not like an execution platform. It doesn't have the ability to like do it here per se.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the vulnerability.
Really? Yeah. Okay, now I see.
That's the vulnerability. I would just, like I said before, I would just have to only trade one strategy per.
Profile.
Yeah.
Give me another. I get you. And that was a separate thing, because that's what we just said. Somebody is going to get fucking paid if they make a platform that allows the free running use and implementation of all bots, scanners, crawlers. Like, you can't have all these people with these great ideas and all these great tools, AI, be limited by the actual institution's exceptions of it. Like, you can't do that. I would say you can't. You do that. You want to do it. Like, long term, you're going to lose the I keep saying the commercial customer. You're going to lose the what do we call residential market? That's residential market. Retail market. You're going to strategy for up to 5 chances, and then after that, go the fuck home. How many people wouldn't take those 5 and say, okay, just, you could trade Traders Hub, and you would run up that 5?
Yeah. Honestly, this weekend I need to update the information in that on the platform that I created.
Cool.
And then once I have the information updated, I'm gonna actually probably run.
Yeah,
I'm gonna run some accounts on it, and then just like I said, break it down to where only one strategy is worth running for one pair. Because ultimately, it is a great idea, and it's like one of those like next level things. It's just I need to. I gotta keep my foot on the gas on it.
And I would say that's the only downside of this AI era. The amount of tools that have heft because of our idea and the formulation of it. Actually, okay, cool. We have to refine that. You forget that this was a department in 10 years. Just 5 years ago, this whole process required a department and a 5 to 10 year plan to push this on through. Well, now, shit, we can make it in about an hour. Like you said, we fuck around and forget that shit for a week and a half. Like, damn, I don't want to do shit. I have something else. I'm trying to focus on this.
Yeah.
So just trying to find that balance with like these tools that, but like I'm saying, white labeling be the new. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, ultimately, what I need to do is just I need to be able to show a track record of profits, and then get it in front of some people that would be interested in buying something like that.
How many institutions? 8? I think we have to start thinking about I just imagine an insurance company really getting interested in trading.
That was a good trade. It was only ranging and hadn't taken any liquidity, so I didn't take it. Like this right here. It actually broke out of his range, created that change of character.
Hey, I see.
See, like, yeah, that's the change of character.
Right there, yeah.
Came down and it tapped it perfectly with a perfect entry.
And then 70.
And now it's like over 8 points in profit.
Do you have strategies just based off solely change of characters?
I wouldn't. No, it's not just solely change of character. It's like change of character, breaker structure. It's ultimately just, like I said, like the whole concept of fair value gaps, where the market's moving, but it always wants to come back and retrace and fill those gaps. It always wants to retrace, fill those gaps, and always balance. It always wants to balance the market if it can, unless it like pushes it. Unless you got a strong push that pushed it over like very far away that day, but as the market moves, it really just wants to balance itself. So as it pushed itself out of this consolidation, this range, it pushed out here and created that change of character. But because it always wants to rebalance itself, it comes to come back and tap that area to rebalance itself, and then keep pushing. Pushing down, and that's pretty much where my strategy is based off of. And then I guess what I do to make that concept stronger is so that I don't become liquidity. I wait for liquidity to be taken. I look for liquidity to be taken at some form of extreme, and that's why I usually go for London low. I usually, I want to wait for like London lows or London highs to be taken out.
You can ride the wave.
Yeah. So like this little area right here, along with waiting for liquidity to be taken out is what I usually wait for to catch those bigger moves. But here's just a little, I guess, microcosm of that idea. Part of the idea is just not fully the idea. I think the only thing that you could probably say was that maybe this, area right here, especially being open market, had liquidity, and then this was the liquidity being taken. So like say this little spike right here, like I marked it up because it's consolidating. And then I think this was the liquidity being taken, which didn't fuel the move to come down. It wanted to rebalance itself, but eventually it broke out, created this change of character, it tapped here, it kept going down. Again, and because liquidity hasn't been taken, it's not moving as far as the move is. There was a move here. It was a good move, but it wasn't as strong as that 500-point move that we saw.
Yeah.
That was
So another reason why I asked about the volume, because
and that's why on Mondays and Fridays you're gonna have less volume, which is why this could be doing the way it's doing. But also, that's why I was so pissed. Like, I was about to get so pissed because, like, ultimately, I literally wasn't in that trade, that 500-point move trade, because of 2 or 3 points. That shit's insane. That trade alone would have just would have made the entire week.
Yeah, in a good way, in a real way.
Yeah,
that's what I'm talking about. That's why it's like years past, bro. I would have that would have. I'm not saying that shit would have. Like there's no way I'm coming back right now. I'm not, because I'm going to. That's what I'm saying about chasing a chart. If I miss a move like that, fuck with shit to try to get that back. So I had to, I'll be honest, I had to break the dope aspect of exchanging, trading. I had to break that to at least come to terms and even be able to sit back with certain things. Like, okay, cool, had a 500-point loss. Off 2-3 points, it's okay, we just get it back, we just come back. Right?
Yeah, I mean, but ultimately, the way I guess I reframed it from a psychology point is to say my strategy works.
Right, exactly. You know what I'm saying?
Like it was just the little, the little thing of what I needed to watch out was that there was still what you can consider like this area right here. Change colors.
We know. I know.
Yeah. So this area right there. So this area right here, there's that's a fair value gap. The gap between the first and the third candle that doesn't connect. And ultimately what it did was it tapped in, around 50% of that area that came down. It came down. And that's where I messed up last time was I had my because we had a lot of volume and volatility, I had my entry low here, lower, and then it came in to fill more of that gap, and I wasn't ready to accept that risk, and it tapped me out because I wasn't ready to accept that risk. And then that's when it decided to make its move.
Ooh. Oh, that's fucking shit.
Yeah.
It's not fucking shit. Can't take it fucked up because we didn't make it. It's good. The strategy works.
Yeah, the strategy works. And then here, ultimately, this is because I focus on, waiting for the London highs or lows to be taken or something for liquidity. Really didn't pay attention to this move too much, which is a great move. I guess I could have, I'm locked into my strategy within itself, like the rules so much that I didn't really pay attention to this. But what happened was it was consolidating here. This candle wick took out liquidity from here, and then that's what fueled the move to come down. Didn't break because it, was just rebalancing itself. But then it made the move down here. And this was the move here, which is now 100 and over like 140 points in profit.
Stop counting numbers, gang. I think it's gonna make you feel.
No, I'm not. It just because at the same time it's like I'm talking it out. I guess the number, yeah. But I'm just saying the move within itself was when I say the number, it was a valid move.
Yeah. That's the only real thing that gives it solace. The only thing that I really didn't have, like, I couldn't explain to myself why it was okay for what happened. Not okay, but why what happened happened.
Yeah. Which I think that's ultimately that's what's brought my trading better, is to be able to go like before the move, talk it out. Before the move, just talk it out. Make up think it through, and then watching it actually execute. And then if it goes to plan, then what I said was valid. If it didn't work, was it because what I said wasn't validated, or did I miss something?
Right.
And then I would say 9 times out of 10, it's because I missed something. It wasn't that my idea wasn't working or valid. It was just I missed something. And like I said before, like yesterday, I didn't get that situation would be like I didn't give the trade enough room to breathe because I wasn't considering the fair value gap of how much it would want to fill that area. Like my stop loss was too tight, or my entry was too early. It was off the wrong change of character or break of structure.
Even that, like that. That's one thing, same thing with movies and theaters, like the ability for you to not think about how you think, how I want you in your head. I'm saying to analyze, is to remove the anxiety, if that makes sense. Like when shit's just happening, the uncontrollable emotions, all the shit, the seat gets hot. But there's a rationale behind it. It's like, okay, cool, the seat is supposed to get hot. It's exactly what it's supposed to happen. That move did or did not happen because of these reasons. And not a way to like minimize the effect, but a way to keep the brain on top so you can clear head.
Yeah, I mean, because the issue, I think where most people panic is because they don't understand why. But if you can understand the why, then you're good, and you can always become better and be more aware of your trading and what's happening.
So exactly. So even if you miss a move and it would wreck somebody else, like, okay, cool, I know why I missed that move, and I know it's that move is low likelihood. You see what I'm saying? Like, it becomes a series of checks and balances within itself to keep you from fucking up your own shit with these trades.
Yeah, for sure.
When you looked at my previous trade, like it looks like, okay, cool, you're trying to figure something out while you're shooting that stuff. That's not how you do it. You don't think that works like that.
And ultimately, if I would have taken this trade, let's say if I put my entry here, 709, it only went to draw down 4 points. So it literally did enough just to tap my entry and go in the direction of the trade. And that's why I like this strategy so much. So like ultimately, say stop I'm putting at 4.25 points. But overall, compared to how much it went into drawdown to where it went.
Yeah, that's it. These are numbers, man. 1 to 34.
But obviously, it would be higher because I would put my stop up like somewhere up here just to give it some room to breathe. Because of that fair value gap, it would tap in here. But it still says still 1 to 7. Still 1 to 7.
Yes, I mean, it's in there. I mean, what's the largest fish you ever hooked? What's the largest risk reward you ever hooked today? Like you say some shit. Nah, I don't even want. Nah, I don't say. You say some shit like 6, 7, like that.
What do you mean, like points wise?
Yeah, I was just saying like how much.
Yeah, no.
What was the biggest score you ever got off?
No, it was the biggest trade I ever got was some luck shit. No, it was, and I can only say it's luck was because I jumped in when Trump had said something.
This shit here.
And the market just like fucking tanked. It was months ago, but the market just absolutely just fucking tanked.
I'm digging, boy.
So.
Oh no.
So that's why I say it was. That's why I say it's luck because it wasn't based off of strategy. It was just based off Trump said something. The world reacted to it, and it just fucking dormed.
Like there's a video. I don't know how accurate Trump was. It didn't really know, but Jerome Powell started speaking instead of saying "Hey," he said "Hello." Motherfucker Trump.
Yeah. I mean, it could be true because I think people have went back and watched all his videos and stuff to like.
Hey, it's a real indicator. Like, hey versus hello is real shit when it comes in.
Yeah.
When you said that, I was like, most people when they say, "Oh, it was luck," it's usually like a self-deprecating thing. So you got to figure out, okay, what did you really do behind it? So you got some good shit there. No, this might say, no.
Trump said something.
So I talking this shit with them.
Yeah, and then I just caught the move to the downside.
Shit, boy, hey, you need to try to go ahead, man.
So, yeah, legitimate. I would say legitimately luck.
That is, but hey, I take it. Be like, damn, is this mine? Are you sure? Say nothing.
I really feel like it did not take out this low over here for any low. I have a feeling it's retracing to maybe rebalance this area.
Maybe now.
And then it's going to keep going down, maybe.
Like Jay, the curve comes, but downtrend has the up. Oh no. I think down seems too much like right, so it just push up for the fucker.
Looks like that might have been the only possible trade for today.
Just feel cool for the fucker.
Wow.
fact that's all options. I've watched Robert Hood. I'm damn shame he was here. Like, bro, sit down. So you do too much. Oh, like I feel like Big Boy me that was on that guy. Up, down, up, down, oh, yeah.
I'm dead. I'm alive.
I'm like, damn, bro. And then I'm low-key spiritual, so I'm like, I think they want this to happen. I'm ready. And you fight better life. Out there. Yeah, he's first. He's in there. See, if you gonna push that.
I don't know when it's gonna push down. I just think there's gonna be at some point that it does push down. Because it definitely rejected right at these lows and didn't take it out.
No, that'll be actually. Can you actually do that? There was a probability. Tool strictly for analyzing probability of fall or rise, separate from attachments to tools. So basically, a raw tape is reading what? Given 1,000 data set of just ticket tapes, is this more likely to end up in a fall or rise? Just print that plan. That would be like I don't know if you're talking to him.
No, I'm not talking. I'm just trying to think. I think there's an indicator.
And now, for the reason why I brought it up, because I was, if it's all a set of probabilities, and mastering the direction probabilities be a primary goal of trading. Like, I have to understand where this thing is going, how it's going, and what that detail entails. And the probability of what I'm saying being that needs to be off top. Secondarily, it could be okay. In specific trades, within specific indices or whatever, equities and indices, like I need to figure out, like you, much like you do, how my strategy evolves, or my one strategy evolves, whatever I'm doing, to be able to see, okay, cool. Monday to next Monday, there were these 7 different market events, and on each one of those days, my strategy was received differently. And now I know this. Like I'm saying, much like how you know, like, okay, cool, well, this one, tight, my stop was tight, and this one, my stop wasn't as tight, but my overall thesis for why my stop loss is how it is, still solid.
Yeah. Here's an indicator. Actually, this is not it. I thought it was.
Oh, that's the probability of falling will change direction.
Yeah, it's saying all these indicators are. So here's one. Actually, it's fair. Here's one. All these are different type of indicators, and they're all saying that the market's bullish. So maybe. So I had a bias of it possibly falling, but maybe it's saying it's just within a retracement area. They're going to go back up. And then there's another one.
You make looks out though?
No. These are just ones that were this just be when I just looking and testing and seeing what things do. This is just like an experimental thing. Yeah, this is like purely like a messy.
Yeah, it's cool. This how it's supposed to be. This is how my actual trading shit looks. So I'm trying to tell you.
I can, but that's why I don't you don't see all this on my chart. It just like I stick to my very simple stuff so I don't get distracted and then I trade that. But that doesn't stop me from going around here and messing around and just testing stuff out, looking see what it does.
One time I had everything that TradingView would let you put on the chart at the same time. I don't even. At one point I was like, what the concept started out like a sniper scope, and I wanted to make the sniper scope. I put in so much shit trying to figure out what I was thinking. But then I learned like there is such thing as too much information.
Even one thing, I just realized it's trash. I did not put my trash.
Oh shit, go there. Gang, go do that. Go do that.
I'll be back.
Okay, go ahead.
bounced off this order block on
Got it. Put it back. Say it again.
I said it looked like it bounced off this order block in EQ.
See my shit with the cloud. This second's gonna load in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, leave 29.8 alone. You don't want 29.8. Chill out.
Yeah, no, it just it bounced off this order block and
Oh, right there. Yes.
alright, I'm gonna give something a shot here.
Because you can jump in for real. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere, bitch. It's just breathing room. I don't take your head back down. Yeah.
I just needed to flip this candle. Let me happy.
Say it again.
I just need to flip this candle right here.
And you drew it up. Breathing room, ho. Which, do you ever think that will take, what is the actual phrase for? High frequency trading out of it? Do you think there will ever be a mechanism in which the market goes back to more human dominated than computer dominated?
No.
Especially now that the cat is out of the bag.
Yeah, no, the cat's out of
The only reason why I was saying it is because one of the folks I was following was like, you need to learn how to read the tape. Tape. You know, again, this was like my first, iteration in the trading. So what the fuck is tape? And ticker tape. You need to my whole time I'm trying to be like a good steward, good student, good soldier. I'm like, okay, I'm like, this stream, like, what the fuck does that make sense to you? Yeah. Get a new water jug. Yeah, I think this one would be good. This one.
Flips this.
I think it's gonna work. Say, jinx and shit.
I just need to flip this. That's fine. I'll flip for 1 minute. I just need to flip the 5 minute.
President around this motherfucker. Go to. Right type shit. Like, what? Oh, I have to? Okay. Oh, my shit. U.S. equity markets holding my beer since 1908. You put your life savings here? Oh, my beer, man, nigga. Hey, ooh, good catch, man. Good catch. Good catch. Stay. No, come on now. Yep. The fuck? So you just gonna be a hoe, huh? Strategy work, that was stupid. Like y'all fighting over play space. What is this? Hey, you wanna run back?
I should have took the earlier trade.
Nah, this was fine. They just fucking stupid. Why are you fighting over play space? It's fucking retarded. Only to come back. This is retarded. I saw it.
And I think I still think it's gonna drop. I just think I think ultimately because of the timing, I was trying to keep things tight. So once it made certain moves, I was like, gonna keep it tight, but it's definitely moving funky. You know, next week's gonna be a new week, start fresh.
Yeah, that's the only other thing. Actually, that's what I was gonna ask you. I know you said do the review while you trade. You know, you have it in your head, how you break it down, what went right, what went wrong. Is there a way that you can put those insights into Traders Hub as well? Basically, like you and every other trader with mountains of experience.
No, because ultimately, what would have to happen is I would have to pretty much like create the ultimate strategy. It would have to be within the strategy, the platform that I had created.
Mm-hmm.
All it does is analyze how those strategies do over time.
Engineering do. I got you.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, man. You're one of them away from buying your own fucking island, man. Well, actually, I think buying islands is out of the plan. You gotta let the heat die off on it. You know? No, I got ambition. I get it. I'm big guy. I'm with all that. Just looks bad right now. You know, just
Having private islands. No, there's a basketball player who has his own island.
shit. You hear that, Ricky Rubio? Hey, You took this shit out of my Look at this. We need to have memes up. Put that QR right there. But this is what I'm saying. You fighting over place, like, man, that whole. Me, there was no reason to go from 29 to 29.73. There was absolutely no reason to make that move.
I mean, there's always a reason.
Yeah, they fucking stupid. Yeah, I'm with you. Hey. Fuck, I got shit to do.
Yeah, I mean, I guess to go back that deep into the, I don't know why.
Knows why probably ain't no reason. It's not the reason why Teal put to do it. Into the valley of death road. What the fuck, 600.
I'm just trying to look at the picture to see if there's something.
It's like, and that those two cameras are. Why would you press up so much just to fall? What is that? You push to hey, y'all ready? It's like a real roller coaster. Hey, let's go up Six Flags. I'm about to go. What the hell? I'm fucking roller coaster to this day. Everything about it is all sweet until your ass is staying. Your ass is up there. Again, why are you pushing? Now you pushing back down. See.
Yeah, it has to break on this level, I think, for it to go. Because I really think like it came these lows, but it didn't take them out. Like right here.
Okay.
It did not. This right here did not take it out. That's why I think it still needs to go down. But like, when it's gonna do that, that's the question. It's like on its own time of when it wants to do it.
Oh no, just wait. I mean, what 5:30 your time, 4:30 my time. Motherfucker, the whole ass, screenshot. Look at this shit here. I'm telling you, they wait for us to leave, man. I don't know what to tell you. I'm playing.
No, I think overall, like this week didn't catch. I think overall the summation. What's the word I'm looking for? The summarization of summation of this whole week is the moves have been called. They just been missed barely, or just. I think one thing also is like maybe I think at the beginning of the week maybe I started taking trades too early and not letting things develop, and then you become maybe too passive. Because like ultimately like I said before, I saw this move, I just didn't take it because I wasn't like I had became so strict on my rules of like it needs to take out the higher low, but I know if it doesn't take out the higher low and it does this consolidation thing, that there usually is a good move once it does break that consolidation, which I think I should have or could have taken that trade. The trades were definitely there. They just gotta be executed properly.
I'm saying low-key is the Wahaki is the best teaching week because, like I said, the logic was there, the reason was there, it was never not there, whether or not the move was actually capitalized on or not. And then for the actual capitalization, to only miss it by points, and you talking about like a whole ass moment. Like, you were to say, okay, cool. How would you like to be instructed? Or how would you like to see how they were instructed? Okay, cool. Do they have sound reasoning? Do they have sound logic structure? Do they have a stated discipline that they follow? Do they have certain rules that they, even when they see it and it's clearly evident, they are rationale behind? Like, when I said that stuff about Chase Chart, that wasn't fluff. I'm telling you for real. Like, and in paying for enough forums and being around enough people, you don't just get that about all the. Now either arguing that is useless once you figure out what it was, and without actually like assuring you that okay, cool, like the difference between my strategy can be sound, and that's why I'm smashing my computer right now, and that is what's going to let me come back tomorrow and set up my same thing that day, and then the day people don't speak about consistency. That's what I'm getting to.
No, it's definitely the consistent part, and being able to survive like making sure that your trades aren't so big, so when you do take, have these types of weeks or times, that it doesn't take you out completely. Because if this like 1 week takes you out completely, then you're not risking managing your risk properly.
Playing the lottery, but it's just with the stock market. And I'm telling you, like, I think that would be my type of journey into this thing. Like, literally, you see it as, or you hear about it, start to investigate with it. You still don't understand the trading aspect. You understand investing, but the trading looks like gambling. But you take that framing of gambling to it, and then you try to chase it. So it's like, oh yeah, you're right. I'm with you.
All right, I'm gonna call it a week of trading, and then I'll be back on Monday.
For sure. And then I'm gonna look more at these ultra tight stop losses that it wants me to have for the strategy. And then, like you said, I'll again computer shit that they may want me to have, and then try to build a better strategy that they may not actually need. Because for real, I do like volatility. I do like just some money supply. To me, those two, I get an understanding of the world and the market, which is those two things. So just trying not to overcomplicate my trading strategy for the sake of like more is more. You can get two indicators to get you a good focus and a good direction, and then you can have whatever codified rules to actually engage in that entry and then that exit. But what else do you need other than those three things? That's the biggest thing I took from this week. Like, less is more. It's AB. Like, you just have to perform ABC. Like, boom, boom, boom.
Just keep doing it.
Facts. Shit, I appreciate that, brother. It's been a hell of a week. That's good shit.
Yeah, no worries.
And you need to first of all, white label it and just tell them, listen, I'm the guy who almost had $300 trillion all one week. Stop fucking with me, bro. Like literally, you got the screenshot. Just show it. And who was going to see that? And I'll be like, damn. That was right on. That would have been hit, though.
I appreciate it. Like I said, we'll be back at it.
Back at that old Monday, man. Shit, safe weekend on and up, brother.